Hi, I am Lakshmi and I am here as part of Lifestyle and Fitness series by Habitatschools. In the last video, we discussed about the importance of having the right posture, and I explained it to you what is the correct technique for the right posture. So why are we having a bad posture? Because most of the time we are sitting and we are reading, or we are on the computers, or we are on the mobile. So our position is all like this most of the time. So that is more and more the reason why we have a bad posture. So here I am explaining to you some basic, simple 3 exercises which you can do on a regular basis to correct our posture. Do these exercises on a daily basis so that we have a nice and right posture. Thank you so much for watching. See you all with the next set of videos. Thank you.